Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 7 best cheap drone. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Introducing the S128 8K Professional Drone, your perfect companion for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring the world from above. With its foldable arms and compact size, this drone is easy to carry and transport, making it the ideal choice for adventurers and travel enthusiasts. Equipped with altitude hold mode, this drone provides stable flight, allowing you to capture clear and steady footage even in windy conditions. Thanks to its Wi-Fi function, you can easily connect this drone to your smartphone and capture stunning pictures and videos. With 2 available cameras, 1080 pixels or 4K wide-angle lenses, you can choose the option that best suits your needs. The headless mode feature ensures that the drone is always oriented correctly, so you can focus on capturing great footage. And if you ever lose track of your drone, the one key to return function makes it easy to find your way back home. With 4 channels that can perform ascending, descending, forward, backward, left sideward flying, right sideward flying, and even 360-degree rolling, this drone gives you full control over your aerial shots. This drone made with high-strength engineering plastics. This quadcopter is both lightweight and durable, ready to withstand the challenges of your next adventure. Are you tired of bulky drones that are hard to carry around? Look no further than the new K3 Pro 4K Mini drone. With its advanced 3-sided obstacle avoidance sensor, this drone can automatically sense objects and stay away from them, preventing unnecessary collisions. The altitude hold mode function provides stable flight, so you can capture stunning aerial footage with ease. And with the Wi-Fi function, you can connect the drone to your phone and take pictures or videos in real time. Choose between 2 camera options, a 1080 pixel or 4K wide-angle camera, for amazing high-definition pictures and videos. The headless mode means you don't need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. And with trajectory flight, you can draw a flight path on your screen, and the drone will conduct an autonomous flight along the designated way. This drone is equipped with 2.4 GHz technology, which has anti-interference capabilities. It also has 4 channels, allowing you to ascend, descend, fly forward and backward, and perform left and right sideward flights, and even rolling 360 degrees. The 6-axis gyro provides stable flying and easy control, while the 3-level flight speed allows you to switch up the fun while flying. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, making it lightweight and durable. With a flying time of 15 minutes and a charging time of just 100 minutes, you can spend more time in the air than waiting for your drone to charge. And within remote control distance of about 80 to 100 meters and Wi-Fi image real-time distance of about 20 to 30 meters, you can explore further and capture even more stunning footage. Get ready to take your aerial photography skills to new heights with the new K3 Pro 4K Mini drone. Introducing the S128 Mini 4K HD Professional Drone, your ultimate flying companion that captures stunning footage from high above. This powerful little drone comes packed with an array of advanced features that make it perfect for both beginners and pros alike. With 1 key obstacle avoidance, you can fly confidently without worrying about crashes. And with forward, backward, left turn, right turn, up, down, side fly, and track flight capabilities, you have complete control over your drone's movements. Plus, takeoff and landing are a breeze with just 1 click of a button. Looking to add some excitement to your footage? Use the 3D flip feature to create stunning visuals that will wow your viewers. And if you're new to flying drones, headless mode makes it easy to keep your drone oriented and under control. Adjust your drone's speed to match your needs, whether you're going for a leisurely flight or capturing fast-moving action footage. Wi-Fi transmission allows you to stream live footage directly to your smartphone, so you can see exactly what your drone sees. Take your photography skills to the next level with gesture photography and MV shooting. With these features, you can take stunning photos and videos without ever having to touch your smartphone. And for an even more immersive flying experience, use motion sensors to control your drone's movements, just like in a video game. So why wait? Take your aerial photography skills to new heights with the S128 Mini 4K HD Professional Drone. Introducing the professional UAV 809, the ultimate drone for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its advanced features and capabilities, this drone is perfect for photographers, videographers, and anyone looking to take their creativity to new heights. The 4K HD camera provides crystal clear image quality, ensuring that every shot you capture is sharp and vibrant. And with the dual camera feature, you can switch between different angles and perspectives on the fly. With stunt tumbling capabilities, you can perform impressive tricks and maneuvers in midair. And when it's time to head back, the one-click return feature makes it easy to bring the drone safely back home. Safety is always a top priority, which is why the professional UAV 809 comes equipped with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance technology to help prevent collisions while in flight. But what good is all this technology if the drone doesn't have the endurance to keep up? Thankfully, the professional UAV 809 has a long-lasting battery that allows for extended flight times and more creative freedom. And with gesture recognition technology, you can control the drone with simple hand movements, making it easy to capture those hard-to-reach shots. Need to get a shot from a specific vantage point? The fix-it point and surround flight modes allow for precise positioning and smooth, controlled movements. And with optical flow technology and powerful motors, the professional UAV 809 can handle even the most challenging environments and conditions. So what are you waiting for? Take your creativity to new heights with the professional UAV 809, the ultimate drone for capturing stunning aerial footage. Introducing the latest breakthrough in drone technology, the 4K Professional HD 6K SC Camera FPV drone. With its advanced features, this drone takes your aerial photography and videography to the next level. The drone is equipped with 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance, so you can fly with confidence knowing that it will avoid any obstacles in its path. Powered by brushless motors, this drone is both efficient and durable, giving you extended flight times and increased speed. Capture every detail with the 6K electrically adjustable dual camera system, allowing you to switch between wide-angle and zoom lenses for ultimate versatility. And when you're done flying, the convenient folding design makes it easy to pack up and take with you wherever you go. With optical flow positioning, hover, and electronic fence protection, this drone remains stable and secure even in challenging environments. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to take your hobby to the next level, the 4K Professional HD 6K SC Camera FPV drone is the perfect tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Get yours today and elevate your perspective. Introducing the RH821RC Mini Drone, the perfect toy for both boys and girls who love flying drones. This incredible little drone is packed with features that make it easy to fly even if you've never flown a drone before. The included remote control has 4 channels, allowing you to fly multiple micro drones at once. And with its one-key lift or landing and direction control, you'll be able to get your drone airborne in no time. You'll have full control over the drone's movements. Ascend, descend, forward, back, turn left and right, fly to the left, fly to the right, roll 360 degrees, and fly with UFO. You can even choose between 3 different speeds, giving you complete control over how fast you want your drone to go. With just the push of a button, you can turn your drone into an aerobatic machine, performing dazzling 360-degree flips that are sure to impress your friends. That's why this RC Mini drone is designed with a child-friendly propeller shield to improve safety and durability. The aircraft battery is a 3.7 volts, 300 mAh module lithium battery, which can be recharged in just 80 to 100 minutes. And once it's fully charged, you'll have up to 6 minutes of flight time to enjoy. With a remote control distance of 40 to 50 meters, you'll be able to fly your mini drone far and wide. And with 2 different color options, blue or yellow. So why wait? Get your hands on the RH821RC Mini drone today and experience the joy of flying your own drone. Are you looking for a powerful and intelligent drone that can capture high-quality footage from any angle? Introducing the new KY202 Professional 4K HD Camera Drone. With its advanced obstacle avoidance and double photography capabilities, this drone will keep you capturing stunning shots without worrying about crashes or collisions. With gesture smart sensing technology, you can easily control your drone with simple hand movements. The KY202 also features perceptual obstacle avoidance, which allows it to detect and avoid obstacles even while in flight. And for those looking for a little friendly competition, this drone has a battle mode that lets you engage in thrilling air-to-air combat. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the drone's high-definition dual-camera system. Thanks to its 6-axis gyroscope and intelligent hovering technology, this drone is incredibly stable and easy to control. And with its wide-angle shooting capabilities, you'll be able to take in sweeping vistas and gorgeous landscapes like never before. Connect your smartphone to the drone via Wi-Fi to enjoy mobile HD image transmission and easy, one-button takeoff and landing. Choose from multiple speed settings for a customized flight experience. And with a 3.7-volt battery that provides up to 15 minutes of endurance, you'll have plenty of time to capture all the footage you need. Upgrade your aerial photography game with the new KY202 Professional 4K HD camera drone, the perfect tool for capturing stunning images and video from above. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.